Meaning of defraud.
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 Defraud. Defraud refers to an act of deceiving or tricking someone with the intention of gaining financial or personal benefit through illegal means. The results of defrauding can have significant consequences, including financial losses for victims, damage to reputations, and legal repercussions for perpetrators. Defrauding can take many forms, such as identity theft, Ponzi schemes, and accounting fraud. It is widely considered to be a serious crime, and those found guilty of defrauding others can face significant penalties, including hefty fines and imprisonment.